Greetings and welcome to another Tech Tip with me, Ronnie Williams, your friendly neighborhood Greenbush tech integrator. And this week's Tech Tip are a couple of my favorite features in Gmail. These features will help keep you organized and keep your inbox nice and tidy and clean so that you can find messages whenever you need to find them. So somebody really nice sent me this email and they said, "Your tips are pretty darn cool, my man." And I have a couple of options that I can do with this message. My first option is to archive it, and if I hover over that, it'll tell me that option. My next option is to delete it, and I can certainly do that. Or I can do this labeling thing. And so I want to talk about the difference kind of between those three things that I use every time I get a message in order to keep me organized within Gmail. So if I were to click that archive button, that message would go away. It wouldn't be in my inbox anymore, but I could still find it again later using the search feature built within Gmail. If I were to click delete, that message would go into my trash and it would be permanently deleted after a number of days of being within the trash. So if it was something that was just junk that I never wanted again, I could certainly do that. However, this message kind of means something to me, and I want to have the option to find it again later. And not only do I want to be able to find it by searching within that toolbar, but I want to put a label on it so that I can find it really, really easy. So I'm going to go into my labels section here, and I've got a lot of labels that I've already created. And anytime I get an email that makes me happy, I usually call it happy medicine, because we all have those things in life, those times where we think, man, life is just getting us down. So whenever I get a positive email, I put it in my happy medicine kind of folder. And so you can see that happy medicine was selected there. And maybe if I did that in error, I can easily remove it by clicking that X. But I'll go into labels, and if I don't have happy medicine already, I can always create a new one right from here. But I'm going to go back in there and I'm going to label that one happy medicine again. And then from here, all I have to do is archive it. So if I hit archive, again, it'll go away. It won't be in my inbox, but I can always reference it again later. So archived, it's gone. It's not there anymore. Over here on your left side toolbar, you can scroll down. You have all of your labels. So there's my happy medicine label, and there's my tech tip right there. Very easy to find. So not only can we access our archived emails by labeling them, but we can also search for them if we didn't go to the trouble of labeling them. Maybe we're looking for a particular message from an individual that we know that we conversed with, but we don't know exactly what it was called, or we didn't label it. Well, we can search in our search bar right up above the name of a person. So my good buddy Mark Dodge, maybe he emailed me long ago, and I archived all of the messages that I received from him. And so you can see everything that is from Mark Dodge or has Mark Dodge's name listed within there is all saved within there because I archived them instead of deleting them. So I hope that you found this tech tip useful, and remember, whenever you think tech training and support, think Ronnie at Greenbush.